Hey Sherry, happy 50th birthday. Golden age na tayo ha. Ingat ka palagi dyan. See you soon.
Hi, Ate Sherry. Happy birthday po. I pray na lahat ng dreams mo ay matupad at sana lagi ka pong healthy at masaya. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi, She. Tagal na nating magkaibigan since college days pa. Almost 3 decades na yung lumipas. Pero hanggang ngayon, nanatili pa rin tayo magkaibigan. Thankful ako kasi kahit malayo ka, never mo kong nakalimutan. At ting uuwi ka, nakikita tayo. Ngayong birthday mo, Golden Girls ka na. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday and wish you more happiness and success in life. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Sherry. Happy birthday. Naku, ano pa ba? Bumabata ka yata ah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sherry. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, okay? Minsan lang yung maging teenager. O sige, enjoy your day, Sherry. Bye.
Hi, Sherry. Happy golden birthday. Wishing you good health and God bless.
Hi, Sherry. Happy birthday. God bless you. May have many more birthdays to come. Good health sa'yo. More love, happiness, and fun. Happy birthday, She.
Hi, She. Good morning. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you all the best things in life. Enjoy your golden day. Welcome to the club of 50s. Take care always. Love you.
Hello, Sherry. Happy birthday. Golden birthday mo na pala ngayon. Ay, salamat. Binigyan ako ng pagkakataon ni Lord na mabati kita ngayong special day mo. I'm wishing you all the best, especially in health. May you prosper more blessings. At sana, someday, pag uwi mo, magkita-kita ulit tayo para makita ko naman kung gaano ka sexy at happy. Hindi mo ako kinabida sa birthday mo. Mamaya punta ako dyan. Maya-maya, nandyan na ako ha. Okay, enjoy your day with your friends, relatives, and other loved ones. Bye-bye. I love you.
Che, nandito ko sa Bolingan. Happy birthday, 50th birthday. Wishing you always good health.
Hi, Shay. Miss you. Happy birthday. Sana magkasama tayo ngayon, no? Kaya lang, tayo mo eh. Sana palagi ka ingatan ng Panginoon at stay healthy and always happy. Happy birthday ulit!
Hi Mars, Sherry. I wish you a very happy 50th birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. I wish you all the best, all the love in the world, and all the happiness that you deserve. Hope to see you soon. Pag bakasyon mo, mag-tour ulit tayo ha. Ingat!
Hi, Ate Sherry. Happy 50th birthday. Imagine, 50 ka na pala. Wish ko always healthy and stay pretty and sexy. God bless always. Love you.
Hi, sir! Happy birthday! Birthday! Nak! Okay, ano, pinaghanda ka namin, ha? Nabis pa kami. Ito pa. Lechon pa. Lechon. Ito pa. Happy birthday! Love you! Bye-bye!
Hello, She. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best. Long life, happiness, and health. Sensya ka na at bihira naman tayo makapagchika. Alam mo na busy mga buhay-buhay lalo sa mga bata. Ingat kayo lagi dyan, tsaka kung anumang mga trials, kapit lang lagi. Look after yourself para you can look after Ian and your daughter. O, ingat and enjoy your celebration. Bye! Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, Sherry. It's been a long time, but I'm thinking of you today. Wishing you all the best and good health, and may God grant all your wishes. Again, happy birthday to my forever friend, and hope to see you again.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, Tita Sherry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hula! Hello, my bestie! Happy 50th birthday! Sayang, hindi ako kasama dyan sa'yo. Sana next time. Anong wish? Longer life, healthy life, and everything in life. Be happy. Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! See you.
Birthday yung lumatid sa buhay mo.
Love you, Mama.
Bye.
Hindi pala na.
Surprise! Sherry, happy birthday! Happy 50th golden birthday. I can't believe we're already here. We're all turning 50 this year, and fortunately, you're the first one in our group to turn 50 this year. I really wish you the best, all the happiness, all the love, all, whatever the best of this world that's, whatever this world can give you. Happy birthday. And I really wish I could be there, but unfortunately I can't. So that's why I'm sending this video to you. I know we're going to see each other sometime in September, very soon. So I hope we can push through with our plans. I just want to let everyone know who's hearing this video that you're one of my good friends, very thoughtful, never forgets. Every Christmas you have something that you send to me, although, I really feel guilty because I always forget. I just don't want to forget, but then, sometimes I just, with all these things that's happening during that time, it's just so hard. But you never fail to, at least send something, or, just with the, be there, be very thoughtful, as I was just saying, very generous, very thoughtful, and I love you for that. So I'm not going to keep this video too long. I just really want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Stay as the same person as you are. And yeah, I'll see you soon. I love you. Bye.
Today is a very special day kasi nagse-celebrate ng 50th birthday ang isa sa mga matalik kong kaibigan na si Sherry. Sherry, happy birthday! I know that you are, we're not getting any younger anymore, kaya kailangan natin i-enjoy ang ating buhay. Marami pa rin obligasyon, pero kailangan pa rin nating mag-relax at alam na natin na hindi na tayo bumabata. Kaya excited din ako na magkita tayo sa Bahamas Cruise. So kahit mahal, talagang pag-iipunan ko pa to para makasama ka sa birthday mo. So again, a very, very happy birthday to you, and I wish you all the best. Good health, and lots of fortune. So, see you!
Hi, Arizona! Kumusta na kayo?
Alam ko magandang weather ninyo dyan. Dito kami ini-snow. Pero tapos na. 2 days lang naman yung snow. Ngayon sumikat na si araw. But anyway, I'm very busy packing up my things going to the Philippines. Oh my girls, I'm going home to the Philippines. For good na ako. Hindi ko na kaya ang lamig dito sa East Coast, sa Amerika. Kaya uuwi na ako. Anyway, I'll see you in the Philippines, ha? Everybody, girls, uwi na. Oh, sige, Cheryl, I would like to sing a song for you. May the blessings of the Lord be upon you. I bless you in the name of the Lord. May the favor of the Lord be upon you. I bless you in the name of the Lord. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cheryl. How young are you? Okay, see you in the Philippines. Bye, love you.
Hi there, Sherry. I just want to wish a happy golden year. OMG, you're 50. Welcome to the club. Congratulations for reaching half a century. For sure, life has its ups and downs on their way, but you are blessed to have reached a new milestone with pride, full of joy, happiness, and strength, and for that you are truly blessed. May our dear Lord continue to bless you for another 50 years. And I want to wish you good health always. And on your 50th birthday, may our dear God grant all the desires of your heart. Again, happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your day, special day with our loved ones and families out there. I just want to send my hugs and kisses your way. Love you, Cass. Love, love. Love. Bye.
Hi, Sherry. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Diyos ko, matatanda na tayo. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello po, Ninang Sherry. Happy 50th birthday. Hoping to see you again soon. Sana makauwi kayo ulit. And I'm wishing you good health and may the Lord continue to grant the desires of your heart. Ayun. God bless and love you.
Hi, Ate She. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a good health always, more birthdays to come. And thanks for everything. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, She. Thank you ka pala sa lahat ng mga tulong na binibigay mo sa amin. Wish ko good health and more birthdays to come. Love you.
Hi, She. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you good health and more blessings. She, I really appreciated everything na ginawa mo sa amin, kay Sam. Sana dumating yung time na makakabawi din ako sa'yo. Basta ingat ka lang dyan palagi and God bless. I love you so much. Thank you.
Hi, Kikay. Happy birthday. Kisip mo tayo sa kapatid ko. Pakpe yun ako. Puri ko ang kapatid ko. Ingat mo palagi. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Sherry! We wish you success in life.
Ingat ka lagi and sana makauwi ka ulit ng Philippines. We love you!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Hi, Sherry. Musta na? Si Papa. Well, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. And I hope na maging masaya. Iba na talaga eh. Tumatanda tayong lahat. So, eto, nandito sa bahay ngayon at sana magkakita-kita tayong lahat very soon.
But of course, mauna munang batiin ka ng happy birthday. I keep praying for you and your family, si Rian at saka si Ian. So take care, okay? And meanwhile, enjoy your birthday. Okay, goodbye.